Welcome. Let's talk about some of the highlights from the Independence Day speech today. These are really important for your upcoming prelims and mains examination. So the first one that we would focus here is Design in India, Design for World. Now, Design in India, Design for World is one of the important topics that you must be familiar with. The second is India is a land of Buddha, not a land of Yuddha. That's importance of religion and harmony over war, right? So that's the second important aspect that you must be familiar with. The third, the most important, highly probable for your upcoming examination is green jobs. Talking about green hydrogen, the issues related to climate emergencies, opening the global vision for it, developing India as a global hub for development of green hydrogen, and in line generating employment and green jobs in India. Also, another important aspect is focusing on participation of states for bringing in foreign investments. So, how states can work forward to bring in better foreign investments in India and better industries. The next is gaming industry and animation industry. So development in the field of gaming and animation and providing the services globally. So that's another important topic that can be highly probable and expected for your upcoming mains examination. Focusing on the net zero future and India meeting the Paris Accord targets before the deadlines. So again, net zero future, focusing on renewable sources of energy as another important aspect which has been covered. Another important thing was the marginalized sector. Under development and upliftment of the marginalized sector, Birsa Munda's role has been important, and this is the 150th anniversary year of Birsa Munda. So again, one of the very important questions for your upcoming examination. Development of infrastructure and facilities. So nearly 18,000 villages have been given electricity. 12 crore households have been connected with Jal Jeevan Mission. Also, there are nearly 10 crore women self-help groups which have been established in a period of last 10 years. So self-help groups, women self-help groups and their importance, again important. Another important aspect, highly probable for your mains, is one district, one product. So one district, one product was another important aspect. Then focusing on the importance of sports, Olympics winners at the podium, and then Paralympics, India's participation in Paralympics, and moreover for 2036 targeting India as the place for the bid for Olympics in India, right? So again, that is important aspect that we must cover. Then exports over the time period have doubled. Society has aspirations and must be fulfilled was another message which was given. Also, with 40 crore Indians who fought for the independence, we now have 140 crore Indians who would work forward for the idea of Viksit Bharat 2047. So those are some of the key takeaways from this speech. Highly important for your mains, and definitely those who are sending the answers regularly, your answers would be evaluated on a regular basis. Stay tuned. Wish you good luck and thanks for joining in.